Understanding, exposed to ridicule in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase in the English language: exposed to ridicule. Understanding this phrase is key to mastering the nuances of English, especially when discussing situations involving humor, criticism, or embarrassment. So, let's break it down together and make learning fun and easy. The phrase, exposed to ridicule, refers to a situation where someone is made vulnerable to being laughed at, mocked, or scorned by others. It's often used in contexts where a person's actions, mistakes, or characteristics are highlighted in a way that invites public laughter or criticism. This can happen in various settings, from social media to public events, highlighting the importance of understanding and empathy in our interactions. Let's look at some examples to better understand how this phrase is used in everyday life. A student who answers a question incorrectly in class and is laughed at by classmates. A public figure who makes a mistake during a speech and becomes the subject of jokes online. An employee who fails at a task and is mocked by colleagues in the workplace. These examples show how being exposed to ridicule can affect individuals in different areas of life, emphasizing the emotional impact of public embarrassment. How should one respond when exposed to ridicule? Here are a few tips. Stay calm and composed. It's important not to let the situation overwhelm you. Reflect on the feedback. Sometimes, there's constructive criticism hidden in mockery. Seek support. Talk to friends, family, or professionals who can offer advice and comfort. Practice empathy. Remember how it feels and strive to be kinder in your own interactions with others. Understanding and resilience are key when dealing with such situations, helping us grow and learn from these experiences. Thank you for joining me to explore the meaning of exposed to ridicule. I hope this video has helped clarify this phrase and its implications in our daily interactions. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about understanding the emotions and situations they describe. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next video.